Hi there, welcome back to CodeEdge, SAP tutorials made super easy. In today's video, we'll look at some common SAP UI5 controls. These are ready-made UI elements that make building apps faster and easier. Basically, SAP UI5 gives you these controls so you don't have to code them from scratch. What are UI5 controls? UI5 controls are pre-built components like button, input fields, tables, list, dialogues, and more. You just add them to your view, give them some properties, and boom, they are ready to use. First up, the button. You use it to perform actions like submit, save, or next. In XML View, it's super simple. Here, text is the label on the button, and press is the event that calls the onPress function in your controller. Next is the input control. This is the text box where the user can type something like in login forms or search bars. Here in XML, the placeholder is the hint text that disappears when you start typing. The list control is for showing multiple items vertically, like contacts or menu items. You can bind it to a model and look through data. So in the XML example here, it will repeat the list item for each product in the slash products model. Dialog is a pop-up window, perfect for confirmations, alerts, or a small forms. In the below XML example, you can open or close it from the controller when needed. Now, the label is used to display static text like username or password, usually placed next to input field, as you can see in the XML example. And the text is the text control is for showing messages or status updates. It is not tied to input field like a label. As you can see, the below text tag. Finally, the toolbar. This is a horizontal container that can hold things like titles, buttons, and icons. In the XML example, you can see it's great for apps, headers, filters, and quick actions. So these are some of the most common SAP UI5 controls you will see in almost every app. The more you practice them, the faster you will be able to build UIs without overthinking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CodeEdge. In the next video, we will explore layouts in SAP UI5 so you can arrange these controls beautifully. So see you there.